What is going on? It's Noobsy doing a photo vlog, and I thought I did a really good job of packing. Got my snacks for the day, I got my juice, I got my camera, all my equipment, and I thought I did an amazing job. But I forgot one thing. I wanted to get some different shots for you guys. Forgot the little piece that goes on my tripod. So now I can't use the tripod because I'm an idiot. I don't even know why I would have unpacked it, but I did. So I'm gonna do better tomorrow.
I'm gonna jump in here every now and again, but right now I'm just trying to get dialed in because at this point it has been probably around 2 weeks since I had last photographed. So just trying to make sure my settings are dialed and then get a banger photo of Yaris off rip. Pretty neat. But I was experimenting that weekend, this weekend, just with lower shutter speeds.
Alright, so we're gonna try and get 2 sets of photos, right? Where's my finger? Right there. What we're gonna try and get. So right now I'm at 1/50. Let me see if I can do this. We're gonna try and get them coming down like that. Like that, because they're about to do the open wheel series and I haven't got to take a lot of pictures of them. Then I'm gonna change the settings to like maybe, we'll play around with it, but I'm thinking maybe 1 over like 125, maybe almost 200. And we're gonna get them coming right over the hill there as they come. Let's see what it looks like together. This is my first time viewfinding this. Oh, that might. This is what I like about going to these events. Noted for the next time I come here. That might be a banger shot, but I gotta wait for that to bloom, if you see what I'm seeing. So I saw a spot. There's a spot right at 10A, 10B in the corner that we're gonna go for. But I need to get a juice break. I am parched. I need to refill like a pit stop. Juice break done. Now we go over to 10A, 10B over here.
This was probably the most frustrating part of the weekend for me. So I was experimenting with 1/15, 1/25 to 1/15, and I kept messing it up terribly. Like, I mean, I probably stood at this spot for a good 20 or 30 minutes, maybe more on the 20-minute side. This entire Spec Miata race, I stood here trying to get a shot that I was like, I need something, and I just was not getting it. And then I finally got one, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. And then there was just a random Lamborghini next to me.
past not too long ago. This dude's flying. Should be coming back around soon. So. When he comes around again, we're gonna time him. The average time for these cars is like a 1:30. He's hauling. Max Verstappen of Miatas right here. Here he comes. All right, passed the line just now. Let's see. Let's see what he's doing. Hey, bro, I'm dialed in today. No blurry photos today. No blurry photos. Coming down the hill, and then I'm gonna beeline it over across the bridge here to get an interesting shot from the stairs there onto the finish line. So that's the plan. Let's execute. So I've been consuming a lot of content from a wildlife photographer named Simon Bontremont. Crazy name. But I love how he uses the foreground in his images. So this is at Spectator Hill, and I am so far back away from the fence that the bottom of the hill is the foreground. And I really like how that shot came out.
All right, and of course we're getting confirmation from the chat. Thank you so much.
I love this spot, but I was not liking the shots I was getting. So, something I'll keep working on. Sadly, with it being race day, we had a lot of incidents. This was a pretty bad one in the open wheel series. Then we had a really bad one in the Spec Miata series. I mean, these guys were going 100 over this hill, I grabbed this video from the SCCA YouTube, so check that out. But it took them like an hour to fix the track.
Collect it. That was pointing almost in the wrong direction there, but good on him for getting. Oh, 2 cars off now. Big cars off, going into the gravel traps.
Yeah, that's a pretty scary
Not
crash
quite sure
coming into
which 2
10A,
cars
10B.
those are.
So
Was
glad to see everyone was
I
okay.
think,
I
and
believe
Brian,
that
I
was
think that
the
may
track
have-
crew was so amazing at their job.
How is it different? How they